क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, ये पहले जनरल अवेयरनेस के क्वेश्चंस देखते हैं। हु वाज द स्पीकर ऑफ द लोक सभा एज ऑफ मई 2024? तो ऑप्शन सी इसमें सही हो जाएगा, ओम बिरला। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट बेस्ट डिस्क्राइब द फंक्शंस ऑफ प्रोबायोटिक्स? ऑप्शन ए है, प्रोबायोटिक आर बेनिफिशियल लाइव microorganism that confirm health benefit when consumed in adequate amounts. ऑप्शन ए इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज द सेंट्रल थीम ऑफ द थर्ड एडिशन ऑफ द काशी तमिल संगम? ऑप्शन है, महर्षि वाल्मीकि, महर्षि वेदव्यास, एंड लेगेसी ऑफ द सेज अगस्त्य, एंड महर्षि शंकराचार्य। तो ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, Number 4, which of the following river flows toward the north direction in India? ऑप्शन है कोसी, लुनी, गंडक एंड केन। ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, केन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन इंडिया विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फेस्टिवल इज नोन फॉर द ट्रेडिशनल डांस फॉर्म ऑफ द गरबा एंड डांडिया? ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, नवरात्रि। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, इन विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग फेस्टिवल डू पीपल ऑब्जर्व फास्ट इन honor of the Lord Shiva? दशहरा, शिव पूजा, महाशिवरात्रि या दिवाली? ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, महाशिवरात्रि। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, महात्मा गांधी स्टार्टेड हिज फेमस सॉल्ट मार्च also known as दांडी मार्च from which place in 1930? पोरबंदर, साबरमती, दांडी एंड सोमनाथ? ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, साबरमती। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 है, हु बिकेम द ओल्डेस्ट फर्स्ट टाइम वर्ल्ड नंबर 1 मेंस डबल्स फॉलोइंग ए टाइटल विनिंग रन एट द ऑस्ट्रेलियन ओपन? ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, रोहन बोपन्ना। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट कनेक्टेड टू द एनाटॉमी ऑफ ए नर्व सेल्स? ऑप्शन डी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, साइनेप्स। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, राष्ट्रीय आय लेखांकन में पूंजी स्टॉक के मूल्यांकन के लिए निम्नलिखित में से किस मापक का उपयोग किया जाता है? ऑप्शन बी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा। Which article of the Constitution of the Indian deal with the question? Which articles of the Constitutions of Indian empower the President to direct the use of Hindi and English language for official purpose? ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, आर्टिकल 344। Which body has the power of impeach the President of India? Lok Sabha, both Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, Supreme Court of India and Rajya Sabha? ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, बोथ लोकसभा एंड राज्यसभा। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अति प्रसारी विलन में भई प्रसारण के कारण कोशिका से जल बाहर निकल जाता है और परिणाम स्वरूप जीव द्रव्य कुचन हो जाता है। इस परिघटना को क्या कहा जाता है? ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, प्लाज्मोलाइसिस। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following laws state that the marginal product of a factor input initially rise with its employment level but after reaching a certain levels of the employment it start falling? Option D बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, the law of the variable proportions. Next question, where is the headquarter of Indian Institute of Forest Management? Option D सही हो जाएगा, भोपाल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, which article of the constitutions of India provide the right of the freedom to conscience and free professions, particles and propagations of religions? Article 25. Next question, question number 18 है, in which year was Bengal partition by Viceroy Curtin? ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, 1905। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, what was the name of the torch unveiled for the 38th national game hosted for the first time by Uttarakhand? ऑप्शन ए बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा इसमें, तेजस्विनी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 20, in which year was the Indian Council of Forestry Research and Education established in Dehradun? ऑप्शन है 1956, 1981, 1965 एंड 1986। ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, 1986। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 है, a color change of indicator take place generally? ऑप्शन डी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, within a small interval of pH। क्वेश्चन है, व्हाट इज द प्राइमरी रोल ऑफ द एनपीपीए? एनपीपीए मीन्स नेशनल फार्मास्यूटिकल प्राइसिंग अथॉरिटी. ऑप्शन है कंडक्टिंग क्लिनिकल ट्रायल्स, ऑप्शन बी है लाइसेंसिंग फार्मेसीज, एंड ऑप्शन सी है रेगुलेटिंग ड्रग प्राइसेस, एंड ऑप्शन डी है अप्रूविंग न्यू ड्रग्स. ऑप्शन सी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, रेगुलेटिंग ड्रग प्राइसेस. Diagnostic test is used to estimate glomerular filtration rate and assess the proper functions of the kidney. ऑप्शन बी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, केराटिन क्लियरेंस. केराटिन क्लियरेंस टेस्ट मेजर द रेट एट विच केराटिन इज क्लियर्ड फ्रॉम द ब्लड बाय द किडनी. It is the most commonly used test to estimate the glomerular filtration rate, which indicate kidney functions. The specific synthetic compounds that have commercial importance in the dry industries are options A बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, azobenzene. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, the immunity gained through invading organism in small number causing no signs of the disease is termed as. ऑप्शन बी बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, naturally acquired active immunity. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7, प्राइमरी पैकेजिंग यूज्ड फॉर टेबलेट इज. ऑप्शन सी इसमें सही हो जाएगा, ब्लिस्टर पैक. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, a modern drug store should fulfill all the requirements laid down in Dash of the Drug and Cosmetic Act 1945. Schedule P, Schedule N, Schedule R and Schedule T. Correct answer is option B, Schedule N. Next question, the pH of human blood is. Option D इसमें सही हो जाएगा, 7.35 to 7.45. Next question, the role of microbiological assay is assessing spoiled is. Option A इसमें सही हो जाएगा, to identify the type of microorganism present. Question number 11. Coca, hemp and opium are defined under the options are Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act, Poison Act, Drug and Magic Remedy Act and Drug and Cosmetic Act. Correct answer is option A, Narcotic Drug and Psychotropic Substance Act. Next question. The normal amount of hemoglobin per 100 ml of blood for adult female is. Option B इसमें सही हो जाएगा, 12 to 16 ग्राम. Next question है, question number 13. What is the typically particle range for a coarse dispersion? Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, greater than 10 micrometer. Question number 14. The powder that absorb moisture from the air to the extent that they will partially or wholly liquefy are known as. Option B बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Next question है, injectable are filled in glass container as per USP. Glass is classified into 4 category and borosilicate glass is classified as. Option A बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा, type 1. Number 16. Sort is the dash of the plant. Correct answer is dry rhizosome. Next question. The incompatibility that can be corrected by emulsifications is termed as. Correct answer is option A, physical incompatibility. Next question. The responsibility of human resources management include all of the following except. Option A, medication error management and employee compensation, staffing and work designing. Option A is correct, medication error management. Next question. Batch label are specific instructions or warning placed on the filled prescriptions to give additional information to the patient. Correct answer is option D. Next question. The dash is a used of disintegrating whether the alcohol is primary, secondary or tertiary. Correct answer is option C, Lucas test. Next question. Which type of pathology involves the study of tissue? Microbiology, biochemistry, anatomical pathology and clinical pathology. Correct answer is option C, anatomical pathology. Next question. Which of the following is an advantages of using single dose ampules or multi-dose vials in sterilized dosage form? Correct answer is option D, reduce risk of contamination. Next question. Where strain theory was proposed to establish the strain developed in cycloalkane? Next question. Which of the following tests can help detect anemia? LDL, uric acid, creatinine and CBC. Correct answer is option D, CBC. Next question. Which dosage form is designed for sublingual administrations? Option is correct, tablet. Next question. Which of the following organs are affected by von Grech disease? Option A, all organ, liver, kidney, spleen and eyes. Next question. The inorganic carrier matrix used during immobilizing of alpha amylase by adsorption technique is correct answer is option A, calcium phosphate. A patient with a known allergy to sulfonamide should avoid which urinary tract anti-infective agent? Correct answer is option D, trimethoprim sulfonamethasone. Next question. Which of the following is a fluoroquinolone used for UTI? Correct answer is option A, levofloxacin. Next question. Addison disease is caused by the deficiency of hormones from which gland? Pituitary gland, adrenal, thyroid, and pancreas. Correct answer is option B, adrenal gland. Next question. The HPLC in pharmaceutical analysis stand for? Correct answer is option C, high performance liquid chromatography. Next question. Which mechanism of the roller mill is used in pharmaceutical industry for size reduction? Correct answer is option A, compression. Next question. When performing a back titration, the analysis is? Option A is dissolved in water to measure its pH, analyzed using a spectrophotometer, and titrated directed with a standard solution, and treated with an excess of standard reagent, and the unreacted reagent is titrated. Correct answer is option D, treated with an excess of standard reagent and the unreacted reagent is titrated. Next question. A mixture of equal parts of n isomers is called? Correct answer is option B, racemic modifications. Next question. Emulsifier, stabilizer and buffers. ऑप्शन सी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Question number 17. Which of the following component of blood is primarily responsible for oxygen transport? Correct answer is option D, red blood cell. Next question. The relationship between vapor pressure and absolute temperature of liquid is expressed by? Option A इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Next question. Question number 19. Which of the following factor is commonly considered when calculating the dose of medications for pediatric patient? Patient hair color, patient weight, patient gender, and patient occupation. Correct answer is option B, patient weight. Next question. Question number 20. What is the process called in which uneven particles within a system are randomly distributed? Correct answer is option D, mixing. Next question. Of the following heterocyclic compound is an example of fused ring system? Correct answer is option A. Next question. What is the importance of particle size reduction in pharmaceutical? To make the drug heavier, to change the color of the drug, and to reduce the potency of the drug, and to enhance dissolutions and bioavailability. Option D से बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. Next question. The mechanism in drug absorptions involving the binding of iron with medicine like ciprofloxacin is known as? Correct answer is option D, chelations. Next question. Which abbreviation is commonly used to indicate that a medication should be taken before meals? Correct answer is option D, AC. Next question. Cyanocobalamin vitamin B12 is analyzed by microbiological method using das microorganism in the lab. Correct answer. Barium sulfate can be assayed by which of the following method? Correct answer is option A, gravimetry. Next question. As per the Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971 and rules, a pregnancy may be terminated by a registered medical practitioner where the length of the pregnancy does not exceed 20 weeks. Next question. Which compound is to be first used for the treatment of leukemia? Correct answer is option A. Next question. Particle size of aerosols can be determined by? Correct answer is option A. Next question. Four types of dissolution apparatus are specified in the USP for dissolution test. The pedal type is called apparatus. Correct answer is option D, 2. Next question. Gram-negative organisms have higher DAS content. Correct answer is option D, lipid. Next question. Critical temperature is defined as? Option A is the minimum temperature at which all the three forms of matter coexist, and option B is इसमें सही हो जाएगी the maximum temperature above which the compounds will remain in the gaseous state despite the pressure applied. Next question. Which of the following is a major side effect of aminoglycoside? Correct answer is option A, ototoxicity. Next question. Then the concept of biodynamic agriculture was proposed by German philosopher Rudolf Steiner in the year 1924. Next question. Naphthalene may readily undergoes? Correct answer is option C, electrophilic substitution reaction. Next question. Which of the following is a genetic disease that affect the digestive system? Correct answer is option D, cystic fibrosis. Next question. Which ion contribute the most of the electrical conductivity in polarography? The diffusion current is proportional to the concentrations of the analyte. Which of the following is required in ophthalmic preparations to ensure sterility? Correct answer is option A, sterilization by autoclaving or filtration. Next question. The particle size of colloidal dispersion is. Mixer is an example of an monophasic liquid dosage form. And constitute of an hair tonics used to promote hair growth and add black color to the hair. Correct answer is option B. Sometimes fixed oils are used as a non-aqueous vehicles for the manufacturing of hormone injection, which fixed oil is not used for injectable purpose. Correct answer is option C, coconut oil. The application submitted to FDA to seek permission to test a new drug or biologic in human is called Investigation New Drug Application. Next question. Which of the following drug is an acetylcholinesterase inhibitor used in the treatment of Alzheimer's disease? Correct answer is option C, donepezil. And chemical energy is converted into electrical energy in the galvanic cell. Next question. Benzoic acid becomes stronger with the substituent like FIFO. First in, first out is to be followed in inventory management in a drug store since option is correct. Drug are dated product with expiry date. The unit of partition coefficient in CGS is. Correct answer is option A, no unit. The amino acid is the starting material for the biosynthesis of noradrenaline and adrenaline. Correct answer is option A. Next question. NAS is not an inactive enzyme precursor present in pancreatic juice. Correct answer is option B, endopeptidase. Next question. In volumetric analysis, what is the solution of known concentrations called is standard solution? Next question. Which of the following is the major common causes of hyperkalemia? Correct answer is option A, primary hyperparathyroidism. Next question. Insulin scatogenesis consists of. Correct answer is option B, sulfonylurea and magnetite. Next question. The common name of 2,2-dimethylpropane is pentane, isobutane, isopentane, and neopentane. Correct answer is option D, neopentane. Which of the following synthetic sweetener is used in liquid dosage form approved in most countries? Sucrose, glucose, aspartame, and brown sugar. Correct answer is option C. Next question. According to Code of Pharmaceutical Ethics, the pharmacist has the right to do all of the following jobs in the relation of his trade except option A, advertise the drug, purchases of drug, and alter the prescriptions and fix the price including compounding charges. Correct answer is option C. There should be 200 square feet area for quality control selection. Next question. Which of the following is a common conversing flower affecting the skin? Correct answer is option B, Propionobacteriosis. Next question. Ethylene oxide is used for sterilization due to its alkalining property. Next question. The liquid preparation containing drug in the solution or suspension or emulsion form applied to the skin without friction is known as lotion. Next question. The term associated with the defect of tablet when the tablet adheres or tears in the dye is binding. An example of sulfonamide classified as oral non-absorbable agent is. Correct answer is option A, sulfaxylene. Next question. Required dose of a drug with additive is filled in a hard gelatin capsule that contain moisture. The permissible range of the moisture in a hard gelatin capsule is. Correct answer is option C, 12% to 16%. Which of the following committee member of the Pharmacy Council has the power to carry out withdrawal of approval for any institutions? Correct answer is option D, Central Council. Next question. The outermost layer of the wall of the eye is the. Correct answer is option D, sclera. Vessels, nerve or tendons is known as sclera. Next question. Which class of drug is commonly used to reduce stomach acid? Correct answer is option A, proton pump inhibitor. Next question. What is the primary clinical use of antihistamine? Correct answer is option A, management of allergies. Next question. Equivalent to dash small electron. Correct answer is option C, 1. The difference in volatility between individual components are the major factor involved in distillation mechanism. The end product of complete oxidation of glucose is carbon dioxide and water. Identify the reaction in which an area is treated with acid halide or anhydride in the presence of Lewis acid catalysts to yield alkyl aryl or diaryl ketones. Correct answer is option D. Fiedler-Crafts alkylations. Next question. The layer in a blood vessels that transport blood away from the heart and contain the squamous epithelial is called. Correct answer is option A. Next question. The rate of filtration is not affected by the liquid surface tension. Next question. Which of the following hormones lower blood glucose level? Correct answer is option B. Insulin. The sequence of heart relaxations and contractions is called the cardiac cycle. Next question. The key structure of artemisins has a characteristic trions consisting of endoperoxides and ribopixins oxygen. Next question. Which of the following is an example of antiprotozoals nitromendazoles derivatives? Correct answer is option C. Metronidazole. यहाँ से जनरल इंटेलिजेंस एंड रीजनिंग के क्वेश्चन है. If plus means multiply, minus means divide, and multiply means minus, and divide means plus, then what will comes in place of the question marks? इसमें साइंस चेंज करके बोर्ड मार्क्स लगा के इस क्वेश्चन को सोल्व करना है. ऑप्शन बी इसमें बिल्कुल सही हो जाएगा. क्वेश्चन है 12 is related to 16 following a certain logic. Following the same logic, 23 is related to 115. To which of the following is 30 related following the same logic? Correct answer is option D. 150. Next question. Number 4. Identify the figure given in the option which when put in place the question mark. इसमें एक बार इधर जा रहा है, फिर ये इधर जा रहा है, फिर ये इधर जा रहा है. इस वाले में ये अब वापिस इधर आएगा. ठीक है, तो इसकी पोजीशन यहाँ रहने वाली है. और इसमें ये पहले यहाँ पर है, फिर यहाँ गया, फिर इस साइड गया, इस साइड गया, अब इस साइड आएगा. तो इधर ऐसे करके देखना है ये. तो ये किस ऑप्शन में होगा? ऑप्शन डी में. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. थोड़ा सा पानी छोटा वाक्य में परिणामवाचक विशेषण है। नेक्स्ट से डरते हैं वाक्य में संख्यावाचक विशेषण है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, तनाव के कारण उसके चेहरे पर भावनाओं का आगमन से का विलोम क्या है? प्रसारण। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, सरकार ने बजट की विस्तृत जानकारी जनता के सामने प्रस्तुत की, रेखांकित शब्द का विलोम चुने। इसका ऑप्शन ए। नेक्स्ट है, किताब की तीसरी कड़ी सबसे रोचक है, वाक्य में संख्यावाचक विशेषण है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, उन्होंने परीक्षा की तैयारी करने के लिए समय तदनुकूल विभाजित किया। सही आंसर हो जाएगा कि भव्य वास्तुकला देखने योग्य है, वाक्य में गुणवाचक विशेषण है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, आमतौर पर कनिष्ठा और मध्यमा के बीच की उंगली का अंगूठी पहनने के लिए उपयोग किया जाता है, अनामिका। नेक्स्ट है, घुमक्कड़ों के समुदाय में लोगों को जीवित रहने के लिए संघर्ष करना पड़ता है। इसको सही में बताना है तो पहले आएगा हमारे वास्तु साहित्य की जनता का आधार यही है कि वह जनाधार के जीवन और समस्या का विश्लेषण करता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, पहला पढ़ के आंसर देना। लेखक के अनुसार हिंसा किस प्रकार मानव सभ्यता को चुनौती देता है? तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा ये नैतिक और आध्यात्मिक मूल्यों को कमजोर करती है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेखक के अनुसार हिंसा किस व्यक्ति में बनी रह सकती है? तो सही आंसर हो जाएगा जो यह मानता हो कि दूसरों को दुख देना अन्याय है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेखक के अनुसार सच्ची हिंसा का आधार क्या है? सही आंसर हो जाएगा विश्वास की दूसरों को दुख देना अन्याय है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, गदंस के अनुसार हिंसा के संबंध में कायरता का उल्लेख क्यों किया जाता है? कायरता के कारण हिंसा का वास्तविक स्वरूप विकृत हो जाता है। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, डर के कारण किसी को नुकसान न पहुंचाना हिंसा नहीं है, इस कथन का मुख्य तर्क क्या है? सही आंसर हो जाएगा यह डर पर आधारित है न कि नैतिकता पर।